Thank you, Miss Harin. Hi, my name is Nurin Humaira binti Zaini and my metric number is 060688. I am going to give a speech about artificial intelligence. So, what is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think like humans and mimic their actions. The term may also be applied to any machine that exhibits traits associated with the human mind, such as learning and problem solving. The ideal characteristic of artificial intelligence is its ability to rationalize and take actions that have the best chance of achieving a specific goal. When most people hear the term artificial intelligence, the first thing they usually think of is robots. That's because big budget films and novels weave stories about human-like machines that wreak havoc on Earth, but nothing could be further from the truth. Artificial intelligence is based on the principle that human intelligence can be defined in a way that a machine can easily mimic it and execute tasks from the most simple to those that are even more complex. The goals of artificial intelligence include learning, reasoning, and perception. As technology advances, previous benchmarks that defined artificial intelligence become outdated. For example, machines that calculate basic functions or recognize text through optimal character recognition are no longer considered to embody artificial intelligence, since this function is now taken for granted as an inherent computer function. AI is continuously evolving to benefit many different industries. Machines are wired using a cross-disciplinary approach based in mathematics, computer science, linguistics, psychology, and more. Artificial intelligence, or AI, can be divided into two different categories: weak and strong. Weak artificial intelligence embodies a system designed to carry out one particular job. Weak AI systems include video games such as chess and personal assistants such as Amazon's Alexa and Apple's Siri. You ask the assistant a question, it answers it for you. While strong artificial intelligence systems are systems that carry on the tasks considered to be human-like. These tend to be more complex and complicated systems. They are programmed to handle situations in which they may be required to problem solve without having a person intervene. These kinds of systems can be found in applications like self-driving cars or in hospital operating rooms. The applications for artificial intelligence are endless. The technology can be applied to many different sectors and industries. The first one is smart agriculture and food systems. AI-augmented agriculture involves automated data collection, decision-making, and corrective actions via robotics to allow early detection of crop diseases and issues, to provide timed nutrition to livestock, and generally to optimize agricultural inputs and returns based on supply and demand. This promises to increase the resource efficiency of the agriculture industry, lowering the use of water, fertilizers, and pesticides, which cause damage to important ecosystems and increase resilience to climate extremes. Second, next generation weather and climate prediction. A new field of climate informatics is blossoming that uses AI to fundamentally transform weather forecasting and improve our understanding of the effects of climate change. This field traditionally requires high-performance, energy-intensive computing, but deep learning networks can allow computers to run much faster and incorporate more complexity of the real-world system into the calculations. In just over a decade, computational power and advances in AI will enable home computers to have as much power as today's supercomputers, lowering the cost of research, boosting scientific productivity, and accelerating discoveries. AI techniques may also help crack biases in models, extract the most relevant data to avoid data degradation, predict extreme events, and be used for impacts modeling. So that's all from me. Thank you for tuning in. Now let's move to the conclusion.